Python full stack training from our SQL school. This Python full stack environment includes total of three important departments or three important items: front end, back end, and cloud deployments. Everything part of our course, the Python full stack course. It's a full meals, trust me, for your resume, for your next job. We train you at expert level with detailed step-by-step examples, daily assignments, and weekly mock interviews on front end. This involves HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other shell scripting activities. Backend Django, Flash with detailed Python A to Z, and cloud deployments. Part of this complete full stack course. In our classes, we'll be working with basic to advanced concepts, data analytics and visualizations, object-oriented programming, testing and debugging. We'll be training you on core objects and file handling, algorithm developments, very, very important for interviews and for day-to-day job work as well. We have Hive, UDF, user-defined functions, PIG, and regular expressions with database concepts and tuning, part of this awesome full-length course. The main advantages of Python technically involves its scalability, clean and simple syntax, easy to learn, easy to master, very flexible with wide range of application uses in real world, right from web scale to social media. Well supported formats, multiple libraries for easy day-to-day job activities. We have frameworks and libraries like Django, Pandas, IoT, Internet of Things, Numerical Pi, Matplotlibs, etc. Prototype friendly, rapid, faster development and open source environments. We are going to enjoy all these beautiful items in our practical classes with complete hands-on. Let's step into our actual course content, what we are going to learn in our actual Python full stack classes. Yes, in our Python full stack classes, we are going to learn good number of concepts, and here it is on my screen. In our Python full stack classes, we'll be learning about Module 1, Core Python. Then slowly step into advanced Python. Then SQL concepts, Flask and Django concepts, and UI UX technologies. Plan for about 4.5 to 5 months. For the training and project work. First module, Python analytics or Python concepts, will be starting from introduction to architecture, installations, statements, print, variables, operators, data types, list, dictionaries, and tuples. Then comes control structures like if, else, and loops, while loop, do while, and data frames, SQL database access and various levels of transformations, file handling and programming concepts, user inputs, dictionaries, packages, exception handling. Very, very important for our day-to-day job work. Python classes and objects and regular expressions. Here, we are going to spend more time understanding in great detail, complete step-by-step hands-on on regular expressions, including multi-threading, Python, packages and GUI programs, web interface and IoT concepts, with one real-time project part of this course. Then we'll move on to module 3, database and SQL concepts. From scratch, basics of SQL to constraints, joins, grouping activities with Python integrations. Then comes Flask and Django concepts with packages, modules, building routes, and with Flask. Introduction to Django. We have Django models and data integration with ORM templates, object relational mapping templates, views, HTTP requests, forms, admin panel in Django, authentication and authorization, Django REST frameworks, and very easier, straightforward, useful item front-end integrations, testing and debugging, deployment and scaling. Then comes module 5, UI UX technologies with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, Bootstrap, detailed JavaScript implementations, attaching external script files, and DevOps practices required for full stack developers with end-to-end project. No doubt, the course will be very detailed, step by step. All we need is your support by ensuring on-time practice and also by ensuring on-time submission of your daily assignments involving in weekly mock interviews. We are here to guide you. We are here to beautify your resume. And let's meet for a live demo class. Let's understand more about our actual classes, the kind of content, the kind of material, and the technical maturity with which we deliver our classes. See you there in our actual live sessions. See you soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much once again.